new Esri system is used by our 3 supervisors here for load planning. We create an assignment. The assignment goes to the tug drivers in the tugs, who pick the trailers from the yard and load them on the ship. It gives the supervisors a lot more chance to prepare the loads ahead of time, issue out the instructions to the drivers, and it frees them up then to do other duties during the shift. It gives them real-time information to make better decisions, complete traceability and accountability for what we do. It allows us to plan better, and it sees where we can improve and make efficiencies. It's very user-friendly and it looks good. We can log on from our tablets, mobile phones, any point in the office.
P&O Ferries are a ferry company operating on the Irish Sea in 4 routes: Dublin, Liverpool, Larne and Cairnryan. We ship road trailers and load-up freight between the 4 ports, moving about 170,000 units a year. We were looking for a system to move away from paperwork and to try and improve productivity. We find the Esri system has shaved about 10 minutes off a vessel turnaround time, which hopefully will equate to about 250,000 euros a year in savings. We took their app down, we had a look at what they could do, they explained what they could do, then we gave them what we needed to do. They came down and visited, mapped out the area, and they developed the app with our input, and it's been a 50-50 collaboration. For 6 months now we've been operating it. 15 users across the company with 59. The tug drivers who use it think it's fabulous. There's no more paperwork involved. They've really adapted to it. We use it 17 hours a day. It's very easy to teach somebody.
We're all very happy with it actually. The trailer number comes up on the screen, load it on the ship, press finish. I thought it was going to be extremely complicated, but it turns out to be actually very simple to work. You see a little dot of where I am and where my trailer is that I have to go and get. When I get it and put it on the ship, the dot will move.
The press complete comes back to us, transfers across to PHS. If the lads come across damage, they can take their tablets, take pictures and then send them all back to us. My colleagues are all for it, yeah. It's excellent.
Some of my colleagues in the other companies within the port have come and looked at our system to see can they adapt it how they use it. So yes, I would recommend it to anybody.
It's a great system.